My name is Myra Cagate and welcome to a new English tutorial video. Today I'll give you a short quiz about some grammar mistakes that you've probably been making in English. Sa quiz na ito, meron lang tayong tatlong tanong. If you're ready, let's begin. Which of these sentences is correct? Letter A, it's difficult to cope with a toddler and a full-time job. Letter B, it's difficult to cope up with a toddler and a full-time job. What's your answer? If your answer is letter A, it's difficult to cope with a toddler and a full-time job, then you're correct. Hindi natin kailangan dagdagan ng word na up, ang verb na cope. Ang structure na pwede nating sundan ay cope with something. So, walang up after ng verb na cope. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, the verb cope means to successfully deal with a difficult situation or to solve a problem, to do or perform a task. Kumbaga, makaya o makayanan ang isang mahirap na sitwasyon o problema. O kaya naman, makaya o makayanang gawin ang isang bagay. I'll give you some more examples. How do you cope with depression? Or in other words, how do you deal with depression? Can you cope with the stress of being a manager? Ang ibig sabihin, can you deal with the stress of being a manager? So, tandaan natin, walang up after ng verb na cope. Which of these sentences is correct? Letter A, let's discuss your concerns tomorrow. Letter B, let's discuss about your concerns tomorrow. What's your answer? If your answer is letter A, let's discuss your concerns tomorrow, then you're correct. Hindi natin kailangan dagdagan ng preposition about yung word na discuss or yung verb na discuss. The verb discuss means to talk about something or to talk about an issue or a subject. Kapag sinabi ninyong discuss about, magiging parang redundant na yan kasi nga when you say discuss, it already means to talk about something. Which of these sentences is correct? Letter A, one of my friend is from Zamboanga del Norte. Letter B, one of my friends is from Zamboanga del Norte. What's your answer? If your answer is letter B, one of my friends is from Zamboanga del Norte, then you're correct. The noun or the pronoun after the phrase one of is always in the plural form, as we are talking about one person, one place, one thing, out of many. Halimbawa sa sentence na to, one of my friends is from Zamboanga del Norte. It means I have many friends at ang isa sa kanila ay taga Zamboanga del Norte. And of course, the helping verb should agree with one of, not with the plural noun or pronoun that comes after it in your sentence. So, kailangan singular din ang inyong verb. Kasi nga, one. So, kailangan ang verb or ang helping verb na gagamitin ninyo ay singular din. Did you get a perfect score? If you did, then congratulations. I hope that you learned something new from this video. If you did, please don't forget to click the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll just see you again next time.